Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Welcome to 1 week of breakfasts. I was about to say from my 10-item wardrobe. No, I'm gonna share 1 week of breakfast with you and hopefully it will give you some breakfast inspiration. So here we go. Good morning everybody. It is Saturday and the kids are at the grandparents' house. So I am having breakfast al fresco. That is part of the Chic assignment this month, is to dine outside. So it's actually a lovely overcast morning. And I'm here with the baby. Can you say hi? Yeah. And today I am having plain yogurt with granola. You can't really see the granola, it's hidden under the fruit. And some mixed fruit. There's apricot, strawberry, blueberry, and grape. And I love this breakfast. There you go. There's the granola. I normally like to make my own yogurt, but I haven't been doing that since we redid the kitchen. I've been off kilter. So I'll probably get back to that soon. I have an iced coffee here, and this was inspired by Lynette Yoder. And she has a YouTube channel. I can link her below. And she made an iced coffee the other day, and I thought, that sounds so good. I usually buy iced coffees, so I'm going to try to make them at home and save some money. The baby's having kale, avocado, and yeah, that's his breakfast. So, okay, see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, and today we're having poached eggs on sourdough toast. This is one of my favorite breakfasts. I love it. And I know I promised you a poached egg tutorial, and I haven't done that dedicated video yet, but basically I just boil water, and here I'm using my shallow copper pot. And I put the eggs in for 3.5 minutes, not a second longer or a second less. Pull them out with a slotted spoon and they're perfect. And that's it. I don't use vinegar or anything. So these are my poached eggs. I'm just having an apricot. And then yesterday I made this strawberry mint water, the mints from our garden. And so that's what I'm having to drink today. The Chic assignment is to drink more water this month. So I'm doing some fruit infused waters. And that is what we are having for breakfast today. Okay, good morning everyone. It's Monday, and today my son and I wanted blueberry waffles. So I made these homemade waffles in our waffle machine that makes them look like hearts. I probably make waffles about once a week. I love waffles, so these are what we are having today. By the way, I always drink coffee in the morning, so I switched to tea after my morning coffee, but I'm just drinking it in this tumbler. And I love this tumbler. I think I got this at, I can't remember, a store like TJ Maxx or something, but it keeps my coffee warm. So that is what we are having today. Here we go. Can you say hello? Hello. Sorry, I made you talk with your mouth full. So the girls are sleeping in. It's summer break and I just let them sleep in every day. And that's why they're not with us. So, all right, we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good morning, everybody. It's the next day, and today I'm having oatmeal that I made in the Instant Pot. I actually meant to put it in the slow cooker last night, but I forgot. So I woke up this morning, I put it in the Instant Pot, and I just have some chopped nectarine on it, a bit of milk, and a tiny bit of sugar. I have some cinnamon raisin bread here, and my coffee, and I know this is like blatant product promotion, but that's my mug. We have 2 of them, so Ben and I usually use it at least once a day. So yeah, it's really easy to do in the Instant Pot, although I like doing it in the slow cooker better because it does tend to burn on the bottom sometimes. But it's basically 1 cup of oatmeal to 1 2/3 cup of water, 6 minutes in the Instant Pot on high pressure. But it does come out really nice. So that's what I'm eating. I want to show you how I serve the kids. Okay, so they have the same thing. It's just the oatmeal with the milk and sugar, and then I have the nectarine there, and then he is eating cinnamon toast. There we go. So that is what's for breakfast for them. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, it's the night before, and I have just made some overnight oats. So I wanted to show them to you the night before. I did 1/2 cup of oatmeal, a 1/2 cup of pea milk, the Ripple vanilla pea milk, which is really good. And if you saw my food trends video, that's where I found that. And then I have some plain yogurt mixed with chia seeds, some vanilla extract, and some whole earth sweetener. That's the stevia and monk fruit. And I just alternated that with the black cherries, and I put some ground flaxseed on top. So that's what I'm having for breakfast tomorrow. So I'm doing this the night before, and I'll do this a lot so that the morning runs runs smoothly for me. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, as part of the Chic assignment, I am dining alfresco again for breakfast today, so I'm going to try this for you. And decided to, oh, this looks so good. And you know what, last night I thought I should have put a bit of cherry jam in it because I have some cherry jam, and that would have sweetened it too. So that is so good, delicious. You know what would make this good too is, you know, just some shaved chocolate. I'm always thinking about how I can add chocolate to things. Shaved chocolate, or if I put cherry jam in it, that's really delicious. I love this, very good. And I'm just drinking my strawberry water right now, and I will have a cup of coffee very soon. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's the next morning, and hi, I can see you in the little spoon right there. So it's actually really late. I cannot believe this, but the morning got away from me. I didn't wake up early like I normally do because the baby woke me up a few times last night. And then I made a pot roast for the slow cooker, and then just one thing after another. So I'm finally having breakfast. So I've already had my morning coffee, and now I've switched to tea. So I'm drinking the Bloom tea by Teamy Blends. I did a review of that tea. It's delicious. It's like a mix of hibiscus and black tea. And the thing is that I have a propensity for liking, what's it called? PG Tips. I love PG Tips, the black tea, but I like it with half and half and sugar. I mean, I love it like that. Not good to drink a bunch of those every day. So I'm really enjoying this tea and just getting back to something a little bit lighter for the summertime. And here I have some yogurt and strawberries. 2 of these strawberries, by the way, are from our garden, and the rest are from the store, and then some granola on top. And I'm just having a light breakfast now because we actually are going to be having our lunch soon. It's so late, and I made a pot roast today. That is what I'm having today. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Today I'm having poached eggs on toast again. It is one of my favorite breakfasts, and it's funny because I'm filming this, and of course I know I'm filming, so I'm a bit conscious about providing a variety for you, but some weeks I'll just have poached eggs on toast every day for a week, you know? Do you do that? I get into kind of a thing where I just want the same thing all the time, so, but that would not make a compelling video, so I am just showing you what I would eat, but I am having poached eggs on toast again today. It's sourdough toast. And I have some berries and I have some coffee. So that is what I am having today. And I will see you tomorrow for the final breakfast. Bye. Good morning, everyone. I snuck outside to have breakfast al fresco, and you could hear the birds chirping. It is a nice overcast day. So it's actually quite lovely outside. Okay, this is the final day that I'm filming the breakfast, and today I'm having a smoothie bowl. So I picked some kale from our garden and put it in the smoothie. And so this is kale, cherry, and strawberry. And I've used some of the Ripple pea milk in there too. And so I just dotted it with this fresh fruit and granola. And this is just a lovely light breakfast. So thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur. I hope that this gave you some breakfast inspiration. And I would love to know what you like to have for breakfast. Please leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time on the Daily Connoisseur. Bye.